Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I am Born and welcome to my channel. And welcome to a very different frame that we are trying out because we have a couple of new lights that we are testing out. And also I get to put my arms on this table as support because with this growing bump, I need all the support that I possibly can while I shoot these videos. For today's video, I in fact have all my matte lipsticks that I have bought and used so far. And these are literally like, I would say, lipsticks that I have started getting in my collection when I first started working. I got my first salary, I saved up and I bought my first MAC lipstick, and ever since then, years and years, I have purchased some or the other color which I found very complimentary for my skin tone. And I just felt that there are some of them that I think are very close to expiry, so before I just dump them away, I just thought that why not shoot a video for you guys and show you guys some of the best colors that you can rock from the huge lipstick collection that MAC has. And it's been a learning process over the years. Some of them actually kind of need lip liners, but I'm going to show you the colors as is. And if you are someone like me who's dusky or who's like an NC 40 to 42 kind of a range of skin tone, I think you can very well rock these lipsticks too. So if you guys want to know what those lip colors are and what are the best colors for this complexion range from MAC, then let's get started. So what I have on my lips right now is just some lip balm, and I'm gonna quickly take this off with a cleansing wipe. And in no particular order, I'm just gonna dunk my hand into the box that I have. The first shade that I'm gonna try out is the shade Meher. So this is the shade Meher on my lips. It's a kind of a very muted rosy, like a dusky rose, but not very bright. You can wear it with a lip liner if you are someone who's darker than me, but for me, I think this is a nice summery pinkish color that you can wear, and it's also matte finish, so definitely long wearing. Okay, the next shade is the shade Marrakesh, which is again a matte lipstick, and this is like a reddish brick brownish color on the lips. And that is Marrakesh. I think it's a very nice, it looks a little bit more orange I think on camera, but in person if you see this color, it's a lot more reddish brown, like a completely brick color, and I really love this color. I've worn this lipstick a lot and I'm definitely buying this again. The next color is the shade named Mocha, and it's a neutral kind of a, I would say like a brown, but not really a total brown. It's more like a nude. And on someone lighter than me, I think it can be a very nice like brown tone nude for them. For me, it kind of washes me out. Like on the camera right now, it looks fine. I can wear it like this, but I do go in with a lip liner on some days because in person when I wear it, I think it kind of washes me out, but it's a very nice neutral color to wear. And again, I think this is in the satin finish, so it's a very comfortable formula to wear on the lips. The next shade is the shade Persistence, and this is in fact my first, I think my first lipstick shade that I bought from MAC, and it's in a matte finish. And this is literally like, if I was to find my perfect nude or the perfect nude for my skin tone, if you're closer to me or in my complexion range, I think this is like the literally like your lips but better. This is that color, and this has been my favorite. I think this is definitely my 4th or 5th tube easily, and this is shade Persistence, and I love it. I love it. The next shade is the shade Soar, which I in fact got long before that it launched in India because I was traveling that time and I was in Europe. And it's a very nice color, very similar to the lip pencil that comes. It's in fact a very dark, like it looks a little more light on camera, but in person it's a little bit on the darker side of a pink, like a magenta, like a very deep plummy color, but it has a little bit of brown to it, but it looks very nice. You can wear it on the day, like on daytime occasions, you can wear it in nighttime occasions, and even for right now that I'm wearing with a very pastel t-shirt like a top, it looks very nice. So this is the shade Soar. The next color is the shade Top, which is I think the second color after Persistence that I got from MAC. It's again a very nice nude. So between Persistence and Top, the only difference is that this is a little less of a brown, it's more nude, Persistence is more on the brown side, like has more brownish red hues to it. But this again is a very nice nude for our complexion range. If you are in my complexion around NC 40-42, this is a very nice nude color that you can wear. My lips look sore and chapped, but we are almost done with the swatches. The next color is the shade Diva, and this is a very, very popular bright color from MAC. For anyone wondering or wanting to go out for a bold shade that you want to wear, especially for the winter or the fall season, I think this is the perfect color. I haven't swatched this well on the lips, and yeah, with this you do need a lip liner because it's a very, very bold color and it tends to kind of bleed out. But overall it's a very nice, like, deep plummy shade for the winter season. You can wear it for the summer season as well. But yeah, this is the shade Diva and I really like it. And the final shade that I'm going to try out is the shade Raja. This is from the Disney Aladdin MAC collection that they had launched a while back. I don't know if this is limited edition or if they have maybe got the shade in the long-term range. But this is a very nice color again. And if this collection is live anywhere, I would highly suggest to go and get the shade Raja from there. So that is the shade Raja. It's a very nice plummy, kind of berry but not very berry. It's nude also for deeper complexions, but for me it kind of looks like a very plummy maroonish deep berry color that I can wear. And I wish I can really get my hands on this one because I know this is close to expiry. But this is the shade Raja, and again one of my very, very favorites from MAC. So those were all of my favorite MAC lipsticks that I wanted to show you guys, and I hope that you are able to go out and maybe get one of them or a few of them the next time you hit a MAC store, or you can also get them online off Nykaa or the MAC website. If you guys did enjoy watching this video, then make sure that you thumbs it up, and if you are new to my channel and want to watch more videos from me and What Makeup, then make sure you subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notifications bell because you don't want to miss any of my weekly uploads. I'm going to see you guys next week. Have a great week ahead. Stay safe, take care, bye.